This is a rare luxury workwear crossover, blending Timberland's legendary durability with Louis Vuitton's premium design. So, without wasting any time, let's get into this unboxing. Itself screams luxury, classic Louis Vuitton branding with that high-end, premium feel. But let's get to the main event, the boots. Just look at these absolute beasts. The upper is crafted from premium wheat-colored nubuck, giving you that iconic Timberland ruggedness, but with a luxury twist. You've got the Louis Vuitton monogram embossed all over the collar, adding that signature high-fashion touch. And check this, gold-tone eyelets and thick, durable laces, keeping the classic Timberland aesthetic intact. It's got that rugged, slip-resistant rubber outsole that Timberland is known for, meaning you're getting durability without sacrificing style. And of course, inside, it's lined with Louis Vuitton's high-end materials, ensuring maximum comfort and breathability. This is not just a boot, this is a statement. Timberland is known for making work boots that last for years. These aren't just for flexing, they can handle tough conditions. The padded collar and premium materials make them super comfortable for all-day wear. Louis Vuitton took an everyday staple and turned it into a luxury masterpiece. Whether you're rocking these in the city or at an event, they demand attention. If you love sneakers, fashion, or streetwear, this boot is a flex like no other. It's not just about looking good, it's about making a bold statement. When it comes to finding top-quality replica sneakers, repsneaker.net is the go-to destination. They offer a wide selection of sneakers from popular brands like Air Jordan, Nike, Balenciaga, Dior, and Asics. Whether you're looking for the latest drops or timeless classics, repsneaker.net has it all, delivering premium quality at unbeatable prices. We know that trust is everything when shopping online, and that's why repsneaker.net is featured on Trustpilot. You can check out real customer reviews, feedback, and ratings to see why so many sneaker lovers trust them for their purchases. Transparency and customer satisfaction are a top priority, ensuring you get exactly what you pay for. Here's the best part, you can save big. Use our exclusive discount code RSNOW at checkout to get 15% off your order. For example, these sneakers originally cost $249, but after applying the discount, the final price is just $211.65. Don't miss out on this amazing deal, grab your pair today. The repsneaker.net team is committed to providing the best shopping experience. Their customer support team is always ready to assist you with any questions or concerns. Whether you need help choosing the right size, tracking your order, or resolving an issue, their friendly and professional support staff is just a message away. And that wraps up this unboxing of the Louis Vuitton Timberland 6-ankle boot wheat monogram. These boots are next level, blending luxury, durability, and iconic street style into one. What do you think of these? Would you rock them? Let me know in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this unboxing, smash that like button, subscribe to Rsnow Unbox, and turn on post notifications so you never miss a new sneaker drop.